beautiful day. Guys, what a beautiful, awesome, glorious day. Be good to yourself and be good to others. Love on others. Look at all the leaves. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. So guys, get out here and get you some vitamin D this morning. It's a beautiful day. It's an amazing day. I love you guys. See you on the flip side. Hello guys. Thank you all for being here. And let me say thank you so much, all you lovely people, for just coming on to my channel yesterday. We had a good time. I welcome everybody who was new. Hope you found this channel interesting, to want to join the family. Peace and love to you all. So guys, today's video is going to be a little different. Y'all see I'm spraying on my love and nature. Well, if you didn't see it, that's it there. That's it there. So we're going to do something different. So I'm going to be hanging out with a friend today. We're going to be exploring a area of one of the nature parks that I've never been to in my entire life. So that should be fun. And then we're going to have lunch. So I'm going to bring you guys along for that. And y'all know this is my generic, I forgot, but y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along for that. And then, yeah, that's going to really sum up my day. And whatever clips that I can bring you, I will. Yeah, I'm so spoiled now to the lives. Like, I don't even know if I would even want to edit no video. So, yeah. So, guys, remember to love yourself so that you be able to love others for this world. So this world could be a much better place, okay? So I will see you guys on the flip side once we get started on our journey. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so here's outfit of the day. I got my fedora on. Love it, love it, love it. And I also have on a blue jean jacket, my not emerald green. Y'all know what color green that is. It matches the hat. Got on my overalls and some brown boots to keep me comfy. And yeah, today's gonna be a good day, guys. A good day filled with a little fun, laughter, and enjoyment. So I will see you guys in a little while, okay? in. Look at that. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, I found the pussy willow plant that I showed y'all. I'm already home, y'all. It's like 5:30 in the evening. But I found the piece, I took a piece of the pussy willow. I'm gonna try to attempt to grow this. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. So pretty. So I'm probably gonna like remove some of the leaves here and then place it in a jar and see if it'll grow, and then I'll plant it outside for next year. I'll try to keep it in the house, but in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys, I think what I was trying to tell you about. And then I got a surprise for y'all. So this is what, when me and the boys Saturday went, this is what the boys picked out for the house, and MJ said it was great and it would go together. So it says, welcome. I think it's so pretty. Let me turn the light on. That is so pretty by the door, isn't it? So pretty. It says welcome, and it's about the same colors, a little bit as that. I can always stain it a little bit, but yeah. So let me show you guys something, and I'm glad I just mentioned to y'all in the live yesterday that I was gonna I might not have to repot this plant because I'm about to show y'all why. Because look what I see. Look what I happen to see. So that is something new coming up. So that means nothing's wrong with this dirt, right? There's nothing wrong with the soil, right? So I'm gonna have patience and she's gonna make it. So Iris, this is for you. Look at that. Okay? You honestly blessed me, okay? But I'm gonna take you guys out in the yard and show you the mums that I planted last year when we first moved here. I'm gonna show you the mums that they're coming in, and then we're gonna probably end this video. So you guys will hear my neighbors and everything, but it's okay. But do y'all see the mums? See how they're opening? Look at that. Burgundy, isn't that pretty? So I'm gonna keep watering them and stuff, and we're gonna see, this is in the rock garden, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But I told y'all, look, you gotta have a green thumb and you gotta trust yourself, because if you don't trust yourself, who you gonna trust? Okay? So guys, I am going to say goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I know this video was not that long, but hey, she gave you guys a vlog, so I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.